For the past 2 years, the world believed AI would be free. Free knowledge, free productivity, free power. But quietly, something changed. Hi everyone, I'm Sophia Carter. The most powerful AI tools are no longer being created for everyone. And most people still have no idea what's coming. A few years ago, AI seemed like magic. Anyone with a laptop could suddenly type faster. But history teaches us something important. The best AI models are becoming accessible only through payment. Faster models, smarter reasoning, AI agents.
Access denied.
The future is becoming subscription-based. The companies developing AI are not charities. They are building the most profitable infrastructure in history. Wealth inequalities have always been created by access. Now, it could be access to intelligence itself. Two people, same intelligence, same ambition, but one of them possesses advanced AI tools. The other is slowly falling behind. Most people still think the AI revolution hasn't started. People laughed at $200 AI subscriptions. The goal was never to sell chatbots. The goal is digital workers. The price of AI will be based on productivity. Every technological shift creates winners. AI could create a whole new class of people. Small teams, replacing large corporations. Ordinary people, gaining the power to influence. History is cruel to those who ignore transitions. The Industrial Revolution replaced physical labor. AI could replace average productivity itself. Some people will use AI to save minutes. Others will use it to build empires. The world is entering a new economic era. If you want to understand the future of money, technology, and power, run because the door is closing. And the only question is, are you going to pay to play? Or are you going to accept obsolescence? Sign up to stay ahead.